Lala, part of my Christmas wish list. Can I get you on Christmas? Now Lolo said, get us some Gucci, get us some Louis, buy Chanel, and ice her out. Get us some Lolo said.
We're right here. Oh, how cute. She has a greeter. You know Monet's extra. She hired a greeter.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
This stuff is not affordable.
Where's Monet?
This is the gift section.
Where's the gift section? Right here. Just stick it. Like. No. I don't want to just walk around.
I'm here. Hi.
But now this is shared drive.
You still getting dressed?
Hi.
I'm Lauren. I'm vlogging this whole thing.
Oh no!
Y'all look at Monet's cute ass apartment. I have the Christmas decoration. Y'all, this is the woman of the. We gotta go this way with the lighting. The lighting. Okay. Y'all, this is the woman of the hour. It's our housewarming.
Thank you so much for coming.
It is ugly sweater, and I got my titties
And
out.
I got on an ugly hat. It says princess.
That's cute. And guys, guess what? She got a hookah.
I do, just for her. Just for her.
I'm recording it. Sorry. Where'd she go?
It's important for me to get footage.
You always take footage.
Okay. No. Oh. Sorry. We don't need this kind of music on right now. Okay. So, we are... I would like to thank everyone here for coming. Thank you. So, a lot of people ask what to get me because yes, I have been here for 7 months. Today makes 7 months to the day. It has been a long journey, but a lot of you guys have been on this journey with me. I was making a joke earlier, like I'm always at work, I'm never home. That's why, hence why the 7 months, it is what it is. So this is the first shot of the night. I'm sorry I'm late. So this is a I'm sorry I'm late shot. So cheers to that.
Cheers. Y'all, it is cold. LA trying to really feel like the East Coast for Christmas. I'm gonna be sick. Say hey. Oh hey. I'm about to get my hair done. Vlogging. It's Vlogmas and I haven't uploaded shit yet.
Oh my goodness.
Cause I've been behind, but I've been stocking up on footage so that when I do drop, I can just like, Lord.
You look all cute and I look crazy.
Girl.
All in the rain running.
Whew. Let me show you how. Okay, look at my closure. I was trying to party.
Why you tweet this?
Girl, it's alright. I'm gonna buy another one for next time. I'm ready to buy this hair different. I'm just trying to get this.
I thought it was completely like not tweeted at all.
No, that one is. That's a frontal.
Oh, this
I don't
one.
know how I do that. This
I seen it. Yeah.
I don't know how I do a frontal.
See, now I thought you were in the other parking lot. Cause you see this guy on the phone, and it's like some other like.
Yeah, I didn't know what he was doing. Did they be sitting out here?
No, but I don't know how strict they are. Like, if they're gonna like call the two people.
Yeah. This is the part that I did have like no clue about.
I'm looking forward to listening to the whole album. Like I said, I heard about 7 joints. And I said, your story is amazing. You need to do a movie because this story, from everything that goes on, from
so this is what I saw on YouTube. They were like parting it out.
It's definitely a movie. Definitely a movie. And how did you meet Drake? For people that don't know, how did you?
And then after I did this part, like the parting out, I got lost as hell. And I was like, yo, my ex is gonna be fucked up.
Yeah, you gotta. So after you start printing out, then you have to start choosing between. Like
It was so heartfelt you forgot.
What was it?
Yeah, man,
he had like cereal milk on the
boy,
thing.
my memory too, boy. You be going in and out. When you're 19 years
So
old, it became
I cut the cap wrong.
When I got the support,
This is the first frontal I've ever made.
I always say 2 sides.
First frontal unit. I've made closure units. Those are so. I think I'm gonna stick to them.
They don't come from my walk of life. They be like, yo.
We're trying to
I'd be like,
Get it right.
I smoke that weed right now. Probably get 3 years. Like, no, impossible. Like, no, people in prison working for 8 cents an hour.
Now we are bleaching the knots. So it looks like a scalp.
No, why? Happily ever after is how fairy tales end. You look at that. I'm just saying.
Y'all, I thought I knew what I was doing by making this. I would have never thought to do none of this. None of it.
Oh, look how good it is.
Listen, it's gonna be good for you. You could have been good for me too.
Why? I'm intuitive and you make insane suggestions. Oh, thank you.
I think everybody should do a movie for themselves. About that.
I want this more than anything. Don't we all, babe? Whatever you need to feel, you get to feel it.
Yeah, we changing everything.
Okay.
Two sharks are out, and Paige and Ashley are.
This was a lot more work than I even ever imagined.
I'm gonna have to close my eyes in it because you're gonna convince me, which I don't want to.
Alright, one more time.
Hold it.
Whether or not Mark and Robert can improve their offers to beat Mr. Wonderful's offer. We're gonna keep the phone. Write a quick note, sign it with your finger, and send it to anyone in the world. Like you what do you get? Voila. A beautiful 4x6, glossy,
So I have an
personalized
idea.
note that arrives in the mail in a matter of days. We live a
I gotta
life
do a
on the
shop
road.
tag for
This
it.
product helps us connect better than we've ever connected the world. Sharks, we've got a platform product. Today
That's
it's supposed to
crazy.
start.
This
Tomorrow
concept is
it's a
very good.
tremendous amount more. Join me today in the
It'd be
memory
good for
business,
people
guys.
like outside country.
So we actually got some mail for you. I love getting mail. It's fun. It's just it's fun. Oh, thank you. Aww. All right. Thanks, Josh. You bet. So let's go through what this postcard actually really is. So we got a beautiful 4x6 photo. Then on the back you write a simple note. We built a telestrator, so you actually take your finger, sign it. So it's really you.
Y'all, I am so freaking tired. I'm gonna put the flexi rods in my hair tonight. Pray this comes out well tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap my hair and stuff. It's like 1 o'clock and I have to be at work at 6. So here's the final view of my hair. It got rained on today, but it's a little bob situation. I'm really, really tired right now. Just got off work. We're at Target. Annoyed as hell, we locked out. But hopefully because one of our windows is open, we can get in that way. We came here originally to get, we need a cart. We came here originally to get to get a drill because we already got our we already had our door opened by a what's that called, a locksmith before, because we locked that stuff out. So I wasn't trying to go through that shit again and pay $200. So I was like, we might as well, I watched what he did, we might as well do it ourselves. But we think we can get in through the window. So now we're at Target. About to get some bed sheets. We need new bed sheets. And I really want to grab like something to decorate our table with for Christmas. But since we already have stuff, I kind of want to put that stuff out first and then see what we need from there. We need sale candles. I love Target. But Target be expensive though. I'm not even gonna lie. Lord. And it's freaking cold now, y'all. It's been being cold for December. Don't break it. You could put that back in? How the hell? Ooh, it's cold.
part of my Christmas wish list. Can I get you on Christmas? Now you part of my